Flour. Flour is made from cereals and plants. Examples are wheat flour from wheat, potato flour from potatoes, corn flour from maize, barley flour from barley, and rice flour from rice. Flour contains the carbohydrate starch. Wheat flour contains gluten. Gluten is a mixture of two proteins called gliadin and glutenin, found in most cereals. The amount of gluten varies with the type of cereal and type of flour. Gluten, when mixed with liquid, forms long strands and becomes stretchy and elastic. When flour mixtures are heated, the mixture is pushed up and the gluten sets, forming a framework or crust. People who have celiac disease must avoid foods containing gluten. Functions and properties of flour. Flours are starchy ingredients. When flour and liquid are mixed together and heated, the starch granules absorb the liquid. As the liquid gets hotter, the granules swell to make a paste called a gel. The granules burst and the mixture thickens completely. The starchy taste disappears and the mixture should look shiny and smooth. This process is called gelatinization. Gelatinization happens during the making of any sauce, gravy, and custard where a type of flour is used to thicken. If a sauce is left to cool and harden or is frozen, the gel leaks and water is forced out of the structure. This is called retrogradation. Starch is changed to dextrin when cooked in dry heat such as baking or grilling. This gives baked products such as cakes and biscuits a brown colour and a crisp texture. Different types of wheat flour. Flour is classified according to how much and which parts of the grain are used and what type of wheat is used. Strong plain white or wholemeal flour contains more than 10% protein, is high in gluten, and is used in bread mixtures, choux pastry and batters. Plain white or wholemeal flour contains less than 10% protein, 72% grain, and a low percentage of gluten. This is used for short crust pastry, cakes, and biscuits. Self-raising white or wholemeal flour is a soft flour less than 10% protein with baking powder added. This is used for cakes and scones. From wheat, 000 flour, use more than 10% protein, gluten is very tough, does not stretch easily, and is best used for fresh pasta. Wholemeal flour is 80 to 90% grain. Wheat germ flour is 90% grain. Stone ground flour is 100% grain. Granary flour is a mixture of rye flour and wheat flour with whole grain and malt extract added.